Hey, my name is John Trousdale at Tri-Green Equipment in Florence, Alabama. Today we're going to be removing and installing the loader on a 1025R tractor. So first we're going to crank the machine. Once we have it running, we're going to lower our bucket and compress the cylinders enough to where our front two tires come off the ground slightly. So now that we've got it running and the tires off the ground, we're going to then flip the couplers up on each side. These couplers hold the tractor to the loader. So once we have the couplers in the up position, we now make sure we have the tractor in neutral. Once we have the tractor in neutral, we'll pull back on our loader joystick. And what that's going to do is the hydraulics are going to push us off the loader and the stands will take their place. So now once the stand is set in place, we're going to make sure to get all the pressure off the hydraulics. And then we'll come over here to our single point connection. We're going to move this lever back, and in one swipe, we'll remove our hydraulics. So the most important part about installing the loader is going to be lining up our brackets here to the brackets on the tractor. So now we're going to reconnect our hydraulics. We're going to use the single point hookup system. Makes it super easy to take one swipe at it and not have to pull out each individual hydraulic hose. So now that we've got our hydraulics hooked up, we'll be able to move our joystick forward, and that will roll our brackets back into the frame of the tractor. Once we've got our bracket set on the frames, we'll be able to then lean forward and easily flip the couplers back down on each side. That will lock our tractor back onto the loader. And that's how you detach and attach the loader on a John Deere 1025R tractor.